Welcome to Introduction to Computing Fundamentals. After watching this video, you will be able to define what a computer is, classify computers based on their size and their uses, list the 4 functions of computing and the parts of a computer associated with those functions, and describe the benefits of computing. A computer is a device or system that includes hardware, operating system software, application software, and peripheral devices. Hardware is the platform that processes data based on the provided instructions and stores data. Software includes the operating system software that enables and configures hardware capabilities, and the application software that enables the computer to perform tasks. Peripheral devices, such as keyboards and monitors, enable user input and output. And finally, computers need users who provide instructions. A fast way to classify computers is by their size and speed. Supercomputers are the fastest computers and are used for the most complex mathematical and analytical computations. Mainframe computers function at the speed of business and are used to perform transactions and more. Next in size and speed are mini-computers, which enable more than one person to access the same data. Finally, the smallest computers are microcomputers. This category includes personal computers, laptops, smartphones, and other single-user devices. Another way to classify computers is by use. General-purpose computers perform functions such as creating documents, saving files, web conferencing, working online, financial analysis, data analytics, coding, and other multifunction capabilities. Even smartphones can be considered general-purpose computers. Special-purpose computers, which perform defined limited-use functions, include IoT devices, such as sensors that report water quality, lights that activate during occupancy, sensors that report building occupancy, and IoT devices that monitor manufacturing processes. Other types of computers include Wi-Fi-enabled appliances, weather stations, alarm systems, and both wired and wireless gaming consoles. Computers perform many tasks, but we can simplify and categorize those tasks into 4 easy-to-remember functions: input, processing, output, and storage. Let's learn more. Input is the function or action of getting data into the computer. Input happens when you type or tap on a keyboard, use a touchscreen, or speak a voice-to-text command. Clicking the send button for an email is also input. Input is also the information and instructions a programmer provides to perform calculations using a set of programs. Next, processing happens when the computer receives the input and then converts the data into a format or action that a user can recognize and use. Examples include downloading an app, document, or photo, and moving data from one drive to another. Processing also occurs when the computer performs programming instructions, such as data calculations or even instructions to fly a rocket to the stratosphere and back. Technically, processing happens when raw data changes into usable formats, such as email, documents, and photos. Processors, also called central processing units or CPUs, are located inside computers on a system board, also called a motherboard. These boards and their processors are usually located centrally within the devices. Next, the computer delivers the processed results to the default or configured output devices, including monitors, speakers, and printers. Output, meaning what you see, hear, or understand, is what makes the data apparent and valuable. At the same time or just after the processing function completes, and while output is happening, computers can use the storage function. Storage is the saving of data to disk space on your computer, an external hard drive, or on network or cloud storage for an indefinite or undefined time, unless you explicitly specify a data expiration date or delete the data. Storage saves data for reuse. Server, desktop, and laptop computer storage is usually located inside of the case and to the side of the case. Storage is often welded onto the system board for phones, IoT, and gaming devices. So, what are the advantages of using computers? Manual entry errors are eliminated by using capabilities such as copy and paste and data duplication to reuse data or content. Communication is sped up by using network, wireless, cellular, and other communication technologies. Exponential and complex computations, such as those used for medical research, civil engineering, and space exploration, are enabled by processors, memory, and programming languages. Computers enable the saving of documents and data to disk storage, eliminating the extra storage space needed for stacks of paper. Businesses thrive on digital data storage, and whether it's medical images, car claims, research records, or family photos, saving digital images provides durable and long-lasting access to that information. Finally, editing capabilities eliminate the time-consuming drudgery of having to erase and rewrite work manually. In this video, you learned that, based on size and speed, supercomputers are the fastest, followed by mainframes, then mini-computers, and finally microcomputers, which include PCs, laptops, smartphones, and others. Computers can perform general functions or specific functions. The 4 functions of computing are input, processing, output, and storage. And the benefits of computing include reducing the number of tasks humans need to do, enhanced data storage, the ability to perform complex mathematical tasks, and faster communications.